Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video. We're gonna see on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart also what is going on, what happened for Nasdaq and SPX. Now basically in Nasdaq, well, nothing has changed from our live stream. We said that we are moving a little bit deeper since we have finished potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 5, extended wave 5, and moving in ABC toward the downside. Of course, for a wave 4 here, right? So if we are in this bullish scenario, of course, we are looking for a wave 4 in this area. So the area that we would like to see, let's go to our chart. The area or the price is 20k 900. I would say 21k around it to hit the wave 4 and then moving towards the upside for wave 5. This wave 5, of course, is an old, this was supposed for this wave 5 in the white, which it has finished over there, very simply. Now we're looking for this wave 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5 is still continuation toward the upside. I'm not surprised that we didn't took the blue zone, and that because, guys, when you have several 4-5s, it's not always necessarily to hit 100% the target. But the first one can be weak, the second one can be very strong. Just to keep it in mind, especially that your wave 1 is longer than this wave 1 here. Because if you take this wave 1, and normally because the wave 5 can 70% match the same length and timing even for a wave 5, so you might have, of course, a very long wave 5 later on taking the all-time high, all right, in one single hit. And this, of course, can be a very interesting scenario where we're gonna see, of course, a 4-5 continuation toward the upside. Basically, I'm on Nasdaq still looking for lower, potentially still having, of course, one more leg. Timing wise for this wave 4, by the way, it might be very fast in timing. Let's see this, guys. All right, let's move in. Yes, all right. So the timing required for this wave 4 can be over there, guys. Okay, it might be a very fast one, and it might be scary, by the way, because you might get, of course, a zigzag. And as I mentioned before, this wave 2 has to be a very strong zigzag because based on alternation, here we go. We would like to see something very sharp and very fast. And this is exactly what we would like to see right now. Okay, so don't be scared, guys. I know it's a lot of red, but yeah, it's how market reacts when we move very, very bullish. Okay, so SPX and SPX finally, finally it took the high, but barely seen as a green. It shows directly as red. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 taken finally, okay? And then moving towards the downside. Now, potentially, it still can want to do something like Nasdaq to take the all-time high anyway, preferably to do this. So I would like to see a longer wave 5, honestly. Yeah, so for SPX to finish, of course, is this scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And then moving down again, very sharp and very fast. That because, oh my God, this is a bearish scenario. What is the alternative? Here we go. So that because we have a wave 2 and expanding flat. Okay, so basically once we take the wave 5 here, wave 3, you would like to see again very sharp zigzag towards the downside. Since we have flat as alternation, you would like to see a very sharp zigzag. But good thing is that yes, everything works as predicted, guys. SPX is always laggy, is always behind Nasdaq, and it just simply copy paste Nasdaq later on. All right, so this is what I see right now. I don't know. Of course, this can change with time, how it develops, but currently this is how SPX working, following Nasdaq step by step. All right, so basically those are the updates for the intraday. Nothing else to add. I cannot complain. Everything works as predicted. And of course, we're looking right now to finish this on SPX's wave 5. And for Nasdaq, we're looking for lower. Okay, so they are not aligned. But yeah, basically, it's just SPX that it follows Nasdaq. That was it for the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and trade safe. Bye-bye.